Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing my first video in my spring cleaning series. Today is also a collaboration with my friend Raeann. She's a Canadian girl just like me, and she's going to be cleaning a room in her house as well. So I'm going to let her tell you a little bit about herself right now.
Hey guys, my name is Raeann Abbott, and I'm so excited to be doing this spring cleaning collab video with Nicole. Nicole has been such an inspiration to me as a new YouTuber, and I'm so thankful that she is doing this collab video with me, so thank you so much for that. So be sure to go head on over to my channel and check out that video once you are done watching Nicole's. Over on my channel, I like to do lifestyle, cleaning, organization, and vlog style videos where you get to see this guy, my cute little dog named Billy. He loves the camera. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested in, I would love for you to go and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy our video. Say bye.
So I'm going to be cleaning my bathroom today in this video, so if you guys want to see some spring cleaning motivation, then keep on watching. Alright, there you have it everyone. That was my bathroom spring clean. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you're new. Head on over to Raeann's channel and let her know I sent you. Thanks so much for watching.